I base my sales staffing on a very sound marketing strategy. That's why I also do a lot of research. For me to know what company are expanding, how much are their capital expenditures. Now, there are good prospects for the coconut oil industries, which I think will be one of your main strengths also, because the coconut oil will be there will be a lot of applications for the coconut oil. Second, they will be replacing the hard alkaline benzene for the detergent. There will be a lot of industrial use also for the coconut oil. So there are a lot of movement in the coconut industries, and new plants will be established, and definitely new boilers will be, there will be a lot of acquisitions for new boiler. So this will be the best time for us to really concentrate on those markets. Second, the power plant industries, there could be a lot of use for our fluidized bed technology. I mean, we can also use them to close the roof, because we can increase they have already an existing fluidized bed, but we can also increase the efficiency by closing the roof. After some of the discharge of the fluidized bed, we can re-inject it using our fluidized bed also. And there will be a lot of, there will be a lot of recurring incomes for us, because I have a good knowledge on the water treatment